Good afternoon. The date is the 17th of February 2017. And as always, we're going to start with the US dollar index. So this is the big picture in the US dollar. This is the daily chart, and this gives us a perspective of what the overall trend of the dollar is. And as you can see, the dollar is definitely bullish, abiding by uptrending lines. Now, this channel right here dates back from the beginning of 2016, and it has been working quite well as support numerous times, as well as resistance. Now, this is the election in the US, this big bar right here. After the news came out that Trump has won, there was a big sell-off in the dollar. We tagged the line that was previously support, and the US dollar got charged with enough energy to actually breach this line to the upside for a continuous move to the upside. Now, the dollar, though, got into a correction mode since last December, and it has been making its way down to, again, support here. And 2 days ago, we had a rejection from this line right here in an attempt by the dollar to actually break this resistance level, but it failed. Now, this move right here, this corrective move right here on the daily chart, is depicted on the 4-hour chart. And 2 days ago, we were looking for resistance at this line. We had a little bit of a flush, but we went inside the downtrending channel again, and the dollar is making its way lower now. Now, the smaller time frame, the 4-hour chart, shows 98.26 as possible support level for the dollar. On the daily, we have 98.25. So both charts show the same numbers and the same position for the dollar to actually have a bounce. So what I do expect, especially after we got rejected from the resistances, that we are indeed going to make our way lower to the original support level that we have been having for a quite long time, and a bounce. Now, a move down in the dollar to this line right here would coincide with a move up in gold to its resistance level, just $40 higher from where it is today. So I do believe that we are going to get a reaction to the downside in gold, and a move up and a bounce, even if a short term, but there will be some sort of a reaction, and it's going to be a very good entry point for long dollar, short gold, and short the euro as well. So this is the Japanese yen. We have been following this chart for quite some time. We actually put lines here, waiting resistance. It worked absolutely perfectly well. This is the touch 2 days ago, and Japanese yen is making its way lower. And as you know, the Japanese yen is in fact an inverted currency. When it's falling against the dollar, it's actually strengthening against the dollar. When it's going up, it's actually weakening against the US dollar. So all the charts are working perfectly well. We had just a little bit of a flush on the 4-hour time frame with the dollar, but everything is working very, very nicely. And everything implies a continued move down for the dollar and a continued move up in gold and silver. Now, the euro